This video will show us how to add a CLO that has already been created to an existing course in Canvas. We're going to show you how to add it just as an individual quiz, and then also how to add the two questions to a quiz Canvas word, could be exam, could be test, that you have created or will create for the last assessment of the semester. So the first thing you're going to do is from your dashboard, pick your Spanish 102 class. On the left-hand side, click on Commons. In the search bar, type in CLO SPA 102. And here are the two questions that Martha Davis created and put on here for us. Click on it, and on the right-hand side, choose Import Download, and all of your courses will pop in. You can do them all at once, or you can do them one by one. I'm going to do one to show you. So I'm going to choose my Spanish 102-001 course, and I'm going to click Import into Course. It tells me it's going to take a little while, so I click back on my dashboard, and I'm going to go into that course, and I'm going to click on Quizzes. Remember that Canvas calls anything that we create to assess a quiz. Click on Quizzes, and here it is. Right now it is unpublished. I'm going to open it. I'm going to preview it to make sure that it looks correct, and yes, it does. I'm going to keep editing this quiz because I want to make sure that it says practice quiz. That way it does not count for the students. Then I'm going to click on Save and go back to Quizzes, and I see that it's there, and when I'm ready, I will publish it and give it a due date. So now this is a standalone quiz in Canvas. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to add these two questions into an existing exam. I'm going to open this quiz again, and I'm going to edit the questions. Right now, the questions do not have a name. By clicking the pencil and calling it, I'm going to call it CLO question 1. And don't forget to come down here and click Update Question. Now that's the name of that question. I'm going to do the same for this one, CLO question 2, and click Update Question and click Save. Go back to Quizzes. The only thing you've done is named those quizzes, so nothing has changed here. If you just want to give this separately, you can. If you want to add this to something that you have already created or will create for that last assessment for 102, click on your assessment, click on Edit, and click on Questions. Scroll to the bottom, and we're going to find questions to add to this assessment. So right now, those questions that I just named are under Unfiled Questions. and I would scroll through here, and here they are. So I'm going to add CLO question 1 and CLO question 2 to this exam. Click Add Questions. If you don't want them to be worth any points, you come in here and change that to 0. If you do want it to count, don't forget to click Update Question. If you do want it to count, leave it at 3 or whatever number value you want to give it. I'm going to change them both to 0. Click Update Question. Click Save. And now those questions, I'm going to click Preview, scroll down, and they should be at the bottom of my quiz here.